Welcome back to RamZland. This Saturday morning, we're going to do a quick demonstration. The essential question with this, Alex, is why doesn't the fork and spoon fall over? And the second essential question is why does the flame go out? So all you need for this is just a toothpick, a fork, a spoon, and a coffee mug. Yep. And Alex will demonstrate. Go ahead, Al.
So we take our fork and spoon and we put them together so that the inside two tines are on the inside of the spoon, just like that. Simple. And then we orient it so the concave is towards the mug, and we take our toothpick, set it in the center of the tines, and just kind of move it back and forth until we find the balance point. Physics, we call that the center of mass. And right about there.
Wow. And so the question is, why doesn't the fork and spoon fall over? Because it's not touching anything except the toothpick.
Well, the fork and the spoon both weigh 35 grams. And when you have both of them oriented this way, then the balance point lines up directly with the rim of the mug.
Oh, I see. Mm-hmm. So you've got about 35 grams on the outside of the mug, and then this part here on both ends, that's the other 35 grams. And so the center of mass is literally the brim of the coffee mug. That is so cool, and it's perfectly balanced. Now, the second part of this investigation has to do with heat transfer. And so the essential question here is, why does the flame go out? Watch carefully. This is the part that you need your parent to help you with. Watch the flame. And it goes out. And notice the fork and spoon are still balanced, but that's not the end of it. You can also have mom or dad light this end on fire. And the question remains, why does the fire go out? What do you think, Al?
So a fire needs three things. It needs fuel, oxygen, and heat. So the fuel, obviously, is a toothpick, and the heat comes from the lighter. But when we go to either the edge of our mug or the metal in our fork and spoon, it conducts the heat and it robs the fire of the heat energy. So the fire has no heat, and without that, it goes out.
Okay, so when the fire burns to the edge of the mug, you're saying that heat conducts to the ceramic mug.
That's right.
And it steals the heat from the flame goes out. And over here you have conduction to the metal. So the fire goes until it reaches the metal, the heat conducts to the metal, and it robs the flame of its heat, and the flame goes out. That is awesome! Easy demonstration with just a fork, a spoon, and a toothpick, and a coffee mug. Ask mom or dad to help you light the ends on fire. And make sure that you understand that this is heat transfer and center of mass. Great job. Thanks, Al.